Hello everyone and welcome to our project Made in India. So this is the title of our project and the tagline is Redefining Buys. So the group members are Aditya Kamath, that is myself, Sumay Patil, Swadesh Desai and Tusha Vellekar. So let's go ahead with this project. Now coming to everything that is covered through the PPT, we'll go through introduction, problem statement, survey, objectives, how the entire thing will work and finally conclusion. Now coming to the introduction, in a country like India, okay, with so much of overpopulation, with so much of population density, it is often difficult or time consuming to find a maid to match your needs. Even if you find a maid that will match your needs, either she'll be expensive or she'll be busy with a lot of other work, so she can't give time to your house. So these are the problems we face as a country, especially when you relocate to a new city. Suppose I go from Goa to and I relocate to Bangalore, then this is a headache for me. Finding a maid, finding a cook, it's a very tedious task. Hence, we as a group came up with this idea that is Made in India to overcome this problem through an app based solution. Now, coming to the problem statement, let's define those. First is difficulty in finding maids, especially in urban metro cities. Cities with high population densities like Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, it is often a difficult task in finding maids. Second, even if you find a maid, there are always trust issues that come with it. You cannot trust your maid with the valuables that you have in your house. Suppose you are not there in your house and you need a maid to clean your house. You cannot trust her with these things. Now next is that consider you employ a maid from your locality and you find that some of your valuables are missing. Now there is no insurance against these loss. And next, there are no professionally trained maids that are available. A maid will not know which chemical to use in which place of the house. So suppose you require a different chemical to clean the tiles of your bathroom, and suppose you need a different chemicals to clean the tiles of your house. You need different chemicals to clean the mirrors. You need different chemicals to clean the wardrobes, the cupboards. So a normal maid will use the same thing for all the things, which can deteriorate the quality of the particular thing. So there are no professionally trained maids available. So these all are the problem statements of our startup. Now coming to the survey, we conducted a survey in our neighborhood and categorized the data into three categories. First is the people had a trustworthy maid, okay, in whom they trusted. Second is they had a housemaid but they did not trust her. They did not let in her alone when nobody is there in the house. And the category 3 is the people never had a housemaid. So based on these categories, we classified the data into a pie chart where we found that the category 1, that the people had a trustworthy housemaid, were just 23%, and the remaining 77% were in the category where they either had a housemaid but did not trust her, or they never had a housemaid in their lifetime. Now we have attached certain articles which support the claims that housemaids have led to theft in the houses. So in the first case, you see that in Odisha, the police have arrested a housemaid for theft of gold from the owner's house. Second, you see that the housemaid was arrested for stealing gold jewelry worth 3.62 crores. Then next is again Bengaluru, Odisha and many other cities. So these are just few of the articles, like around 6 articles that we have attached in this PPT. But if you go to Google and just search robberies by housemaid in India or whatever, you'll get n number of articles. So this survey or these articles also support our problem statement. Now all the problems are correct, but we have a solution to it, and these are the objectives of the solution. First is to have an app-based one-stop maid service app. So you can see in the diagrammatic representation that the particular user is holding an app, which is the Made in India Redefining Buy app. So this is an app-based one-stop maid service solution for all your maid needs. Second, we provide professionally trained maids. So all the maids that you will get through this app are professionally trained. Third is to provide maids at competitive hourly charges. Now suppose you have a maid in your locality that you have hired. She'll charge you on a monthly basis. She'll take absentees, she'll take leaves on say 3-4 days. That's the charge that you pay extra. So if you book the maids through our app, you get them at competitive hourly charges. If you claim that there's some loss of valuables in your house, and if it is proven that it is done by a maid, then complete insurance is provided from the company's side, and the maid will be suspended from that particular day, and proper legal action will be taken against him or her. So we insure any loss of valuable if proven correct. Next, we provide incentives to users for successful onboarding of maids. Suppose I have a maid which I have hired from my locality, and if I onboard her on the Made in India app, then I get a certain incentive from the company. And next, to implement a referral based service means if I have hired a maid from the Made in India app and my friend Seswadesh needs a maid in her house, then what I do is just send him a referral link, and if he signs up and hires a maid from that link, then I get an incentive in terms of maid hours. So suppose I am person X, okay, and I hire a maid for my day-to-day work from the locality. Now I come to know that there is an app called Made in India. So what I have to do is just onboard the maid on the app, and in return I get certain commission. Okay. Now this project will be introduced as a pilot project in one of the major cities of India. Consider Bangalore. So suppose we get around 100 maids on the app. Then once all these maids, they will be connected with by the company, and they'll be taken to the professional training center that is provided by the company. Once all these maids are trained, they'll be listed on the app with their hourly charges, with the things they are professional in, and the locality that they are willing to serve. Based on this data, okay, any person can directly install the app from the Play Store or the App Store and sign up and just hire the maid at the particular hourly charges. All the maids will be KYC registered, and they'll come with some security, so you don't have to worry anything about it. Suppose you have a friend you want to refer to, so what you do is just send a link to your friend. That's a referral based system, and if the friend signs up, you get certain credits in terms of maid hours. So this is how the entire system will work. Of course, they'll come with certain improvisation in the future. So thank you. This is all about the app Made in India, redefining buys. Hope you all like this idea. Thank you.